Hi everyone, it's Abby with the Bead Place and beadplace.net, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make our popular wreath earring kit. All the materials can be found at beadplace.net. The links will be in the description below.
First, cut the wire in half. Then, string half of the beads on one section of the wire in this order. Notice how the green beads are pointing in opposite directions within each section of 4. Next, we'll tie the wire almost in a knot. So bring the one side over and through and tighten it so that the wire comes into a loop. You'll want this part to be as tight as you can possibly get it. Then repeat the same step. Choose the longer of the 2 wires and thread the 6mm bicone crystal. Then use your chain nose pliers to make a right angle bend directly on top of the bead. Use your round nose pliers to grab the wire right on top of the bend and bend it up around the top and down. Put the bottom nose into the loop, bring the tail end around the other side, and complete the loop. For a more in-depth tutorial on this close drop loop step, visit the link in the description below. Wrap the tail end around the space between the loop and the bead. Then trim the tail end off. Now string the bow onto the shorter piece of wire. Wrap the tail end of the wire over the top of the wreath to secure the bow. Bring it through the wreath around the front of the bow and then around to the other side. You want to make sure that the tail end is going between the crystal and the last Magatama so that it can be hidden. This also tightens the work within the wreath so that the Magatamas sit out in the right direction. Use your pliers to tuck the tail end of the wire down. Hide it in whatever little nook or cranny you can find. Then all that's left to do is to string an ear wire through the loop, and we have a finished wreath earring.
So what's your favorite holiday tradition? Let us know in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed watching this video, please give us a big thumbs up. It really helps us out. If you have a question or a comment or just want to say hey, please leave a comment below the video. Subscribe if you'd like to see more because we put out new videos all the time. All the information for links and kits and everything are in the description below. And thanks for watching.